In the heart of France, there exists a land where time seems to stand still, a land that has inspired artists, poets, and dreamers throughout history. This is Provence, a region of mesmerizing beauty and secrets waiting to be discovered. Provence, known for its lavender fields, rose wine, and the glamorous French Riviera, holds a treasure trove of lesser-known landmarks, each with its own unique tale. Hidden amidst the rolling hills and vineyards, these gems of Provence beckon with their charm and allure. Take, for instance, the quaint village of Les Baux-de-Provence. Nestled in the Alpilles Mountains, Les Baux-de-Provence is a medieval village that seems to have been frozen in time. Its cobblestone streets, ancient stone houses, and the imposing Château des Baux tell a story of a bygone era. But it's not just the history that captivates. It's the panoramic views of olive groves and vineyards that truly take your breath away. Then there's the Thoronet Abbey, one of the 3 Cistercian abbeys in Provence. This architectural marvel, built in the 12th century, stands as a testament to the simplicity and purity of Romanesque architecture. Its austere beauty and the serene tranquility that pervades its walls offer an unforgettable experience. Explore the depths of the St. Baume Mountains and discover the hidden sanctuary of Mary Magdalene. This sacred grotto, steeped in legend and mystery, has been a pilgrimage site since the 5th century. The untouched beauty of the surrounding forest and the spiritual ambience of the cave provide a sense of peace and tranquility, hard to find elsewhere. Not to be overlooked is the Plateau de Valensole, a less traveled stretch of Provence. Here, endless fields of lavender stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a surreal purple landscape. It's a sight to behold, especially in the early morning when the soft light of dawn illuminates the fields, creating an ethereal glow. In the heart of the Luberon Mountains lies the Colorado Provençal. This hidden gem, with its ochre cliffs and turquoise skies, is Provence's very own Colorado. The stunning contrast of colors and the surreal landscapes make it a photographer's paradise. This journey through the hidden gems of Provence unveils a realm of beauty and history that remains largely untouched by the throngs of tourists. It's about the medieval village of Les Baux-de-Provence, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. It's about the Thoronet Abbey and its austere beauty, the sacred grotto of Mary Magdalene in the St. Baume Mountains, and the endless lavender fields of the Plateau de Valensole. It's about the stunning landscapes of the Colorado Provençal in the Luberon Mountains. So the next time you think of Provence, remember that there's more to it than lavender fields and rose wine. It's a land of hidden gems and secrets waiting to be discovered. It's a journey into the heart of France that you won't easily forget.